My name's Marco and welcome to Bella Barista. Today I'm going to do a quick run through on the different types of machines that we have in our range. It sometimes gets a little bit confusing knowing what is the right machine for you, going on budget and what you also like drinking. So with this in mind, it starts with what's known as a thermoblock machine. They're typically around about the £200–300 mark and upwards. Thermoblock, you've probably seen before, it's what's kind of in electric showers. It allows you to heat up the water on the fly. So this produces a coffee within relatively quick time, 5 or 10 minutes in the morning, and it's not going to break the bank. However, with it, it can be a little bit temperature unstable. So often, if you want to find something that's a little bit more consistent, you might want to move up to the next stage machine, which is the single boiler. The single boiler is your classic or traditional copper brass, alloy boiler or stainless steel, and it's just a boiler with hot water in there. You adjust the brew or the steam. So if you want a brew, if you want an espresso in the morning, you turn it on this particular machine, you wait for the light to go out, it will do your espresso. If you then want to steam for your cappuccino or your flat white, you turn on the steam button, again wait for the light to go out, it will produce the steam. So there's a little bit of a pause for this between both temperatures, and you're often waiting a couple of minutes to do one or the other. It's a little bit more brew temperature consistent than a thermoblock, but there is a bit of a waiting involved. The single boilers normally start from around about £300–400, and some of the top end ones are around about £1,100. The Ranchillo Silvia, at the time of making this video, is 425, and we think it's a real good coffee machine, sub £500 for the money and the build quality. Now, if you don't mind waiting a little while longer in the morning for your coffee, we go to the heat exchanger machine. There's a little bit more of a wait involved, as you've still got a classic boiler in there, but the boiler is running in a thermosiphon system where the water from the boiler is gradually heating this brew group up at the front. This takes about 20 minutes in the morning, but once it's up to temperature, it allows you to do your brew and also it allows you to do your steam at the same time. It's still one boiler, but it's a kind of hybrid. So you pop your water in, you turn it on, you wait for it to heat up, and when you flick on the brew lever, it draws the fresh cold water through the pipe, through the middle of the boiler, that delivers that lovely brew temperature for your espresso of approximately 90–95 degrees. You've then got the rest of the boiler 3/4 full, ready to flash to steam. This is probably the best selling machine in our range, the heat exchanger. Because of this, it simply allows you to do both at the same time. And if you're in that scenario where you want to make 6 flat whites or cappuccinos in one go, this will quite happily allow that. They start from normally £800 upwards in price, up to £1,500–1,600, depending on the features. Some of the higher spec models allow you to plug them in. What could be said with a heat exchanger is they're still a little bit temperature unstable compared to the next level machine. This brings me on to what's known as the dual boiler. You've essentially got 2 boilers inside the machine, one to precisely give you your espresso, your brew temperature, and then another one for your steam. You can even set the temperature exactly with what's known as a PID or a digital display. Quite often, both boilers have temperature probes inside that are then fed to this display, and it allows you to easily and precisely control the temperatures. So why would you want a dual boiler? If you're the type of person that would like a good espresso in the morning, and you probably change your coffees, you like to try different single origin coffees, you might like a Brazil, or you might want to try an Ethiopian coffee, this gives you that extra level of tweaking and control. It also, because both boilers are separately controlled or independent of one another, you can precisely have your brew water and your steam at the same time. This really is a no compromise machine, other than the footprint, the size that it takes up. So you might want to check the dimensions on your kitchen worktop before you purchase a dual boiler, and obviously also the price. So the dual boilers typically start from around about £1,300 all the way up to £2,500. So with all this in mind, hopefully it's given you a little bit more of an idea of what types of machines can do. But always please feel free to give us a call or email us, and we'll hopefully try and match the best machine for the price